Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of Humanity Protocol and its token $H. This guide will walk you through buying $H, focusing on MEXC Global, ETHEREUM, and UNISWAP. Humanity Protocol aims to revolutionize identity verification using biometrics on the blockchain, and $H is the token that powers this ecosystem. Let's start by understanding what Humanity Protocol is all about. Its vision is decentralized, privacy-preserving identity verification. The technology uses palm vein scanning for secure biometric authentication, enabling individuals to prove their humanity without revealing personal data. The $H token is a utility token used for transactions within the Humanity Protocol ecosystem, potentially used for participating in protocol governance, and may incentivize node operators or validators. Oh, where can you buy $H? One option is MEXC Global, a centralized cryptocurrency exchange that supports various cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, offering spot trading and other financial instruments. To buy $H on MEXC Global, you'll need to create an account, complete KYC verification, deposit ETH or USDT to your account, navigate to the $H/ETH or $H/USDT trading pair, place a buy order for $H, and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind MEXC Global has deposit fees, which are usually none, trading fees, and withdrawal fees, so make sure you check the current rates. Alternatively, you can buy $H on UNISWAP, a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum. UNISWAP uses automated market maker mechanisms for trading and requires a Web3 wallet like MetaMask. To use UNISWAP, you'll need a Web3 wallet, Ether in your wallet to pay for gas fees and the $H purchase, and the $H token contract address. Be sure to verify this from an official source. To buy $H on UNISWAP, connect your Web3 wallet, import the $H token using its contract address, select ETH as the token you are trading from, select $H as the token you are trading to, enter the amount of ETH you want to exchange, preview the transaction and confirm the details, approve the transaction in your Web3 wallet, which requires a gas fee, and finally, complete the transaction. Remember to account for Uniswap's gas fees, protocol fees, and slippage, which is the price difference between when you initiate and complete the trade. Set a tolerance level to manage slippage. Now, let's talk about $H and the Ethereum blockchain. $H is built on the Ethereum blockchain and adheres to the ERC20 token standard, which ensures interoperability within the Ethereum ecosystem. You can use blockchain explorers like etherscan.io to view $H token transactions, track $H token supply, and verify smart contract code. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. For centralized exchanges like MEXC, enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords. Be wary of phishing scams. When using decentralized exchanges like UNISWAP, protect your Web3 wallet seed phrase, be cautious of malicious smart contracts, and always verify token contract addresses. In conclusion, buying $H involves understanding the token, the platforms available, and security best practices. Choose the method that best suits your needs and risk tolerance, and always do your own research before investing. Explore the Humanity Protocol project in depth before making any investment decisions, and consider following their official channels for news and updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.